Okay, I'm back, everybody. My other video cut off on me before I was ready. I didn't get to show you how to thread the machine. Let's see, I'm not sure what all I got to show you. So I'll just do a couple more stitches just so you can see. I have it on a zigzag right now. White thread underneath. White bobbin thread. And old cheap thread. And one thing I have learned is that these machines, well, these vintage machines aren't as fussy about thread, but the other machines, the newer models, most definitely are. But it does make a difference when you use decent thread in your machine. That I have learned. And this is some old thread. This is an old bobbin out of my trash pile, basically. So that's, I hope you can see that. That's back tacking, and that's the back, and then this is the front. So it sews good on heavy material, probably because I have a large needle in here. I think I have about a size 12 needle in the machine right now.